You won't believe that I took this photo without even stepping out of my room, let alone my compound. So guys, if you know anybody whose birthday will be coming up soon, or if your own birthday is coming up this month or later on, and you know that you do not have the resources to get a photographer, go to the studio, pay video editor, get costume and all of that, now this video is for you. This is because in this video I'll be teaching you how to edit your photos professionally yourself without you paying a dime to anybody. So if this sounds like a video you love to watch, I am urging you to watch it from start to finish, because in this video I will not only teach you how to do it, I'll teach you the apps that you should use in doing it. And you know the amazing thing, all these apps that we are going to use are free. You are not subscribing to any of these apps. So if this sounds like a video you love to watch, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I drop another amazing video just like this one you are about to watch, you will be the first person to be notified by YouTube. Like this video, leave a comment. If you have a video request, do well to leave it in the comment section. So because I don't want this video to be long, just come with me to my screen recorder. Let me take you through the whole process. At this point guys, all I will do is for me to head over to my Pinterest. So this is what the app looks like in case you do not know. So at this point I've gone ahead to click on Pinterest and it has brought me to this interface. So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on this search bar here. So I have gone ahead to click on the search bar. All I will do is for me to type here. You understand? So here I'll go ahead and type photoshoot ideas. This is it, photoshoot ideas. So I've gone ahead to click on photoshoot ideas and it has brought me to this interface. So here we have lots of photos. You can scroll down like this and look for anyone that is appealing to you. You understand? Anyone at all. Now this is my advice to you. If you know that you're dark in complexion, please, when choosing a photo, choose a photo that matches your complexion, because this is supposed to be you. You understand? So that you won't be fair in the photo and in this in real life you are actually dark. So at this point I'll go ahead and click on this particular photo because I think I like it. I have clicked on it and it has brought me to this interface. All I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on this three dots under the photo. So I've gone ahead to click on it and this is the interface I'm seeing. I'll go ahead and click on download image. So I've clicked on download image and it says image downloaded. So all I will do at this point is for me to close this particular app. That is the first app. So now we are heading straight to the second app. Trust me, it will not take your time. So on my Google, I'll go ahead and type ChatGPT. This is it. If you've not signed up, please kindly sign up so that you enjoy every benefit it gives. So on my ChatGPT, I'll go ahead and click on this plus sign at the left hand side. I have clicked on the plus sign and here it says add photos. So I'll click on add photos. It will take me to my gallery. I'll go ahead and click on the photo I want, which I saved. So I've gone ahead to click on that particular photo and this is it. So here I'll go ahead and tell ChatGPT. I'll say hi ChatGPT, please kindly describe this image. Kindly describe this image for me, but exclude the face. Every feature must be included. You understand? So ensure that you add this exclude the face. You understand? So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on the send icon. So now ChatGPT is analyzing the image. So this is it. ChatGPT says, here is a detailed description of the image while excluding the face as you requested. The image shows a woman standing confidently against a wall. You understand? So you may want to write it down. You may want to copy it. You may want to add some little things to it. You understand? In case you don't like the way the woman is keeping her nails or is keeping her hands and all of that, so you can go ahead and edit it manually. But as for me, I think I like it, so I have copied it. I hope you saw where I clicked on this icon here to copy it. I have copied it, so at this point I'll go ahead and minimize. I'll first of all paste it on my note. If you know me too well, you know that I love pasting things on my notes. So I'll paste it here so that I can remove some things that I do not want. So I'm gonna remove this part. Then I'm also gonna remove this part. So what we are going to do now is this: we are heading back. I'll copy the prompt. I'm gonna select on everything, then I'll copy the prompt. I've selected everything, I've copied it. Guys, we are going back to Google. So here I'll close my ChatGPT, and here I'll go ahead and search for this particular app, ideogram. I've gone ahead to search for it. I'll go ahead and click on it. So this is what the app looks like. This first one here, I've gone ahead to click on it, and it will take me to another interface. So one thing you need to know about this website is that you need to sign up using your Google account. You understand? So if you want to enjoy it, so kindly sign up. So it has brought me to this interface. So here we have the home page, we have this, and this is my email. So this is the one I'll go ahead and click on. I am going to click on this middle one here. I have gone ahead to click on the middle one, and it has brought me to this interface. So at this point, this is what I am going to do. I'll go ahead and click on use character. You understand? I'll go ahead and click on use character. So I've clicked on use character. Now when clicking on this use character, ensure that you're choosing a passport photograph of yourself. So at this point, I believe that you had already saved that passport photograph, because if you save it, once it will appear in that place of use character. So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and select that prompt that ChatGPT generated for us. You understand? So at this point, I'll go ahead and paste that prompt here. Now if you look below here, you will see aspect ratio. You understand? So you can just go ahead and click on the aspect ratio. Look at them here. You may want to adjust if you want it in landscape, if you want it in portrait and all of that. So personally, being that it is an image, I think I prefer the square. You understand? So I would leave it at this. So all I will do is for me to go back, like I'm coming back to this particular place like right now. So I will just go ahead and click on this icon here. Once you click on this icon, you are simply telling it to generate for you. Now in order for you to know if it is generating or if something has gone wrong, this is where you should be looking at. You understand? So here it will show you in figures, while here it will be generating, like rotating. You understand? So you keep looking at this particular place. Now another thing you also need to know about this particular interface is this: once it is done generating, you will see this pink stuff here. So you go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, now your image is ready. Now another thing you also need to know is this: it will go ahead to generate it plenty for you. So it has generated 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Is now left for you to choose the one that you want. So look at option number 1. I think I like this one. Look at option number 2. I don't like this one, please. Look at this one. I think I like this one. Look at this one. I would have loved this one, but not the hand. So it will give you different options. So this is it guys. So let me know if you will be using this for your photo shoot. If you're not comfortable, like you don't love the outcome, you can as well click on edit. You understand? You can as well click on edit. When you click on edit, you can go ahead and write whatever corrections that you want in this particular icon, in this particular space here. You understand? So guys, I believe this video was useful. If it was, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.